Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm checking out something really exciting, the new Kospet Tank T4. This smartwatch doesn't just look tough, it actually built to survive almost anything. It has a full Inox 360 metal frame, 10 ATM, water resistance, IP69K protection, dual layer Gorilla Glass and a bright AMOLED display. What makes it even more impressive is that it comes with a dual band GPS, offline maps and a 32GB of internal storage, something you almost never see in this price range. You also got 23 Pro sports modes, over 160 extra activities, built-in microphone and a speaker, Bluetooth calling and even a walkie-talkie mode for communication between Kospet watches. And the craziest part, in the box it also got power pocket, a magnetic external battery that snaps into the back on the watch and boosts the runtime to up to 15 days without charging. I will show you all of that in this Kospet Tank T4 video review. The Kospet Tank T4 comes in a package that immediately gives the impression that it is a serious device. The box is white, sturdy, minimalist in design but elegant, with a photo of a Tank T4 on the front. As soon as you remove the lid, the first layer is the watch. As soon as you hold it in your hand, you understand this is not a toy, this is a true metal machine. Under the watch is a box with accessories and the Kospet really doesn't not skimp here. Inside you get a magnetic charger, a metal base that connects to the watch via pogo pin and also serves as a data cable because you can connect the watch to the computer and transfer music or maps to it. USB-C cable, high quality rubberized, longer than usual for smartwatches. Screen protector foil, although realistically with the 19th generation Gorilla Glass you almost don't need it. Instructions and warranty card in multiple languages. But then we get to the most exciting part, the additional equipment they sent me. Kospet sent the power pocket with the watch, a small portable battery designed exclusively for the T4. It looks like a mini power bank, has 850 mAh and all you have to do is place it under the back of the watch and it will start charging immediately without a cable. The watch itself has 500 mAh, which gives it up to 15 days of normal use, but with the power pocket accessory you can get 40 to 50 days depending on how you use the GPS, screen, Bluetooth calls and music. In addition, I received two premium leather straps, one is brown, the other is black. Both straps have metal buckles, a quick release system and looks literally like a strap from a classic watches. Very nice. On the watch they look really elegant, business-like but still robust. The watch also comes with the standard rubber sports strap, black in color, with a metal buckle and the Kospet logo. It is soft, lightweight and comfortable on the skin. Once we're done with the physical impression, we go into what interests it most, what this watch can really do in practice. Immediately after the first turn on, the watch greets you with a sharp ApexMotion logo and after a few seconds you see the home screen. What immediately surprised me, absolutely no jerking, no lag. Everything opens instantly, whether I enter the menu, pull down notifications, change watch faces or start the music. ApexMotion is made precisely, there are no unnecessary animations that slow it down, everything is fluid as if you have a mini flagship phone on your hand. On the right side there is two physical buttons. The upper one is multifunctional and serves as a return to home screen or opening the menu, while the lower one can be fully programmable. There are two identical buttons on the opposite side, up and down, for switching through the menus. The screen supports swipes in 4 directions: up, widgets, time, heart rate, compass, temperature sensor; down, quick panel, brightness, airplane mode, lock screen, battery alarm; to the left, time, heart rate, sunrise, compass, temperature, etc. And right you have notifications. What's especially nice, the watch supports Bluetooth calls. You can receive a call directly on your wrist. The conversation is unexpectedly clear, the speaker is loud enough to be heard even in the busy street, and the microphone picks up your voice clearly without noise. Messages and notifications come from all applications: WhatsApp, Viber, Gmail, Messenger, Telegram. You can read the entire message, reply briefly by voice or typing on a mini keyboard. And yes, the watch has a 32GB of internal memory, which means you can upload music directly to your watch, connect headphones and run without the phone. This is not just another watch with a 20 sports. Here we have talking about a 23 precisely optimized sports, plus over 160 freestyle activities that you create yourself. Sports included running, hiking, mountain biking, skiing, snowboarding, football and many more. The watch automatically measures speed, distance, pulse, cadence, heart rate, step rhythm, altitude, air pressure and ascent in the meters. The Apex algorithm instantly calculates how much the body is stressed when it needs the rest and how much recovery is needed. If you have overdone it, the watch warns you. In addition to the brutal endurance, the Tank T4 also has something that we have hardly seen in this price class: real offline maps and navigation directly on the watch. I'm not talking about those simple route drawings, but about the complete topographical maps that you can load into the watch thanks to the 32GB of internal memory. Save hiking trails, GPX routes, trails, bike paths, and all this works even where there is no signal, internet or mobile phone nearby. There is also dual band GPS L1, L5, which captures satellites much more precisely. Even when you are in the forest or in between buildings, you can zoom, rotate the maps, tracks where you are in the real time, and if you get lost, there is also a TrackBack function that literally takes you back the same way. The maps are stored in the watch by connect to the PC. When you download the maps, you can choose your country, simply transfer them via the cable to the smartwatch. Everything is very simple and intuitive, and for more details, see the video link below in the description of this review. ApexMotion application is clean, transparent and stable. We have graphs of heart rate, sleep, steps, calories, import the GPS routes, segments, creation of custom watch faces, plus widgets, synchronization with Strava, Google Fit, Apple Health, training plans, video trainings, running coach and all that. The battery is truly superb. No kidding, the watch lasts for 21 days of normal use, 45 plus days with one basic time display, power save mode, and up to 4 days of continuous GPS tracking, and with the additional power pocket battery, another 7 days of active use. The Kospet Tank T4 provides to be a superbly robust watch. The construction is solid, the Inox 360 shield and Gorilla Glass make it almost indestructible, the AMOLED screen is extremely bright, and the navigation and the offline maps are perfect for outdoor adventures. Dual band GPS, sport tracking, pulse, SpO₂, stress and sleep measurement, calls, music, walkie-talkie function and 32GB of memory make it a multifunctional device. The battery is excellent, and with the power pocket accessory you practically forget about the charging for days and days. So if you're impressed by what this smartwatch can do, and I'm sure you are, make sure to check out the official purchase link below this video. Take advantage of a current promotional pricing while it's available, because quantities may be limited, and get your Kospet Tank T4 today. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you soon in the next video review. Bye!